Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. If you're a person that likes the dark aesthetics of home decor, then this video is for you. But did you know there are different styles of dark aesthetics? Keep watching, we're going to get into it now. Dark and moody home decor is all about creating a rich, atmospheric space that feels both intimate but yet dramatic. This style embraces deep, saturated colors like charcoal, navy, forest green, and burgundy, combined with luxurious textures like velvet, leather, and dark wood. Now, lighting plays a crucial role. Dimmed, warm lights, candle sconces, and strategically placed lamps create pockets of light that enhance the depth and the shadows, giving the room a cozy, mysterious vibe. Decor elements often include vintage or antique furniture, dark floral patterns, and metallic accents in brass or black iron, creating an old warm charm. Artwork, mirrors, and layered textiles contribute to a space that feels collected and really deeply personal. Dark and moody decor doesn't shy away from embracing shadows. Instead, it uses them to evoke a sense of sophistication, coziness, and a wee bit of drama, making it perfect for those who want their home to feel like a retreat into a quiet, romantic, introspective world. So here's one we are all familiar with, and it is dark academia. Dark academia home decor is inspired by the moody, intellectual charm of old world libraries, universities, and classic Gothic architecture. Now, this style features rich, dark colors like deep browns, forest greens, and burgundies, complemented by dark wood furniture. So you're going to see leather-bound books and vintage or antique accents that really just evoke this scholarly, timeless feel. I always think of Harry Potter when I think of this style. Now, key decor elements include filled bookshelves. You need books for this style, ornate rugs, and candle-lit candelabras, creating a space that feels both intellectual but still cozy. Now, the walls are often decorated with art featuring classic portraits, botanical prints, or vintage maps, enhancing the room's academic vibe. You're going to see layered textiles, you're going to see velvet throws, wool blankets, and just various tapestries to add warmth, while details like vintage globes and brass accessories, even a quill pen, can really capture the spirit of curiosity and knowledge. It really celebrates a love for literature, art, and history, making each room feel like this time portal to an old, romanticized world of study and reflection. Dark naturalism home decor combines the organic beauty of nature with a moody type element with it. So we're going to get moody, we're going to get dramatic. It's just a lot of dark vibes and aesthetics here, but it creates a space that feels really deeply rooted and timeless. This style emphasizes earthy, rich tones. I've been seeing forest greens in almost all of these styles because it goes so well with blacks. You're also going to see natural textures like raw wood, stone, and leather that brings in this organic authenticity. And of course, lots of plants and botanical elements. And that ensures that no matter how dark your space is, it's still going to feel lived in and lively. So I feel like I've used this phrase a lot in this whole video, but Gothic home decor is very dramatic and very moody, but it draws its inspiration from Gothic architecture with influences of Victorian opulence and of course dark romantic. Now this look often features a deep dark color palette, so you're going to see some of the shades that we've already kind of spoken about, but key materials are going to include dark woods, velvet, and a lot of iron, which is kind of becoming a signature metal in all of these styles. And all of these really lend an antique, almost medieval feel to the space. You're also going to see some elements like arched mirrors, ornate frames, and candlelit candelabras, and this whole just sense of old world grandeur. But you're also going to see some Gothic inspired details like skulls, vintage books like you would see in dark academia, And you're going to see stained glass windows throughout the room. That's just going to provide this really mysterious but yet enchanting vibe. Now, if you choose to go ahead and do this style, be sure to add some really plush rugs and heavy drapery. It enhances the style's coziness and its depth. That way you won't just have a dark room, but you'll have a dark room with all of these layers of mystery, celebrating both the beauty and the darkness of your room. Whimsigoth home decor combines whimsical witchy vibes with Gothic and Bohemian influences, and it creates a space that feels both enchanted but still cozy. Inspired by a blend of vintage goth elements, mystical motifs, and colorful, eclectic boho style, Whimsigoth decor embraces deep colors like emerald green, plum, and midnight blue, often accented with metallics and rich textures like velvet, lace, and tapestry. Decor typically includes celestial symbols, vintage candle holders, crystal collections, and botanical elements, lending a really magical atmosphere in your space. Look at layered rugs, plants to add warmth and texture, and really balancing the darker mystical elements with an inviting comfort that just tells people to, hey, come on in. Now, Whimsigoth decor often celebrates personal collections and unique finds, so this is your time to really show off your finds. This is the perfect style for you if you want to create a home that's both really stylishly moody, but still a little bit of the playfully mystical. Here's another style that I love that I feel like doesn't get a lot of attention, and that is Western Goth. Now, I think it doesn't get a lot of attention because a lot of people don't know about it, but it's gorgeous. It's a home decor style that blends the rustic, rugged aesthetic of the American West with the dark, dramatic flair of Gothic. So to me, it's like if Southwest and Goth had a baby. That, in my eyes, that's what it looks like. So this look typically features deep moody colors like black, burgundy, midnight blue, your forest greens, and some other colors as well, but it's going to be contrasted with earthy tones like rust, tan, and mahogany, a lot of the tones that we would see in the Southwest style. You're going to see some distressed wood furniture, some leather accents, especially in the form of big, comfortable leather chairs, and of course, vintage metal pieces that just add a bit of Western charm. And your Gothic touches are going to come through in intricate metal detailing, Victorian-inspired decor, and really dark, ornate objects around the room. Now, I know a lot of you don't like skulls, but this is a style that you're going to see animal skulls, horns, and animal hides or faux fur to really add a bold, wild edge. While like candle-lit sconces and a lot of wrought iron elements bring in that Gothic mystery that creates a space that feels both edgy but yet strangely inviting. This is not solely a masculine style, however, I do feel like it is a style that a lot of men would be drawn to. But let me know what you think down in the comments. And last but not least, I am going to give you just some other styles here that may not be as big or as popular. We have a dark feminine, we have dark boho, which I personally love, heavy on the browns here, and the dark colors, super easy to achieve and perfect for those of you that love the bohemian look. And of course we have dark minimalism. It just truly shows if you want to have a home with a dark aesthetic, there are so many different options to choose from. I absolutely hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see a little bit more, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.